Hello everyone, my name is Aarohi and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a real-time object detection project that I recently completed for one of my clients. And this is basically an AI-powered traffic analysis dashboard. So instead of just explaining everything theoretically, let me directly show you the demo. So guys, for today's demo, I will upload a video file over here as input, but in a real world applications, we provide camera feed of live camera or RTSP stream. And that's it guys, this is the only change. Apart from that, everything which I'm going to show you today, the entire pipeline will be same for real-time object detection. So we will upload a video and then we will select the model size. These numbers simply means the image size. 640 means the model which will work with the image size of 640, and 1280 is a model, same model but trained with bigger images. The image size which I used to train this model is 1280. So obviously if you'll pick this model, it will take more time to process the video, to process the input, and this model will be faster because the image size is smaller over here. And then these are the classes which we want to detect, track and count direction wise. So this is a custom data set and these are the different classes. And let's say guys, if you don't want to work on specific class, sometimes this happens that you want to see the performance of a single class, right? And you don't want to work with other classes. Then from here you can directly select that, okay, I don't want to see the performance on pedestrian class right now, I want to see how other classes are performing. So you can select the class which you don't want to work on for this particular time. And then there is a confidence score. You can provide the confidence score here manually. You can change the values, and as per that confidence score, as per this threshold value, your model will provide you the results. And then skip every second frame. This simply means that, let's say if you have 4000 frames in your video and you want the processing to be fast, then if you tick it, that means your model will skip the every second frame. So instead of processing 4000 frames which are there in your video, original video, it will process 2000 frames, and every time it will skip the one frame. So these are the different options you can select. So right now I am not selecting anything. I will upload the video over here and then we will click on upload. Okay, let's do that. Before showing you this practical implementation, let me just give you an overall idea about the app, like what we are going to do. So for that I have a readme page. Let me open it and explain you what we are going to do. So basically we want to detect, track and count vehicles class wise and direction wise. So let's say if the vehicle is going from north direction from this side, so there are only three possibilities. Vehicle can go in this direction and this direction. And in the same way, if the vehicle is coming from this direction, then vehicle can go this side and this side. So for all the directions we have three different conditions. Means the vehicle from west can go to other three directions, the vehicle from south can go to other three directions, right? And we want to count those vehicles class wise. All right, and we can have different kinds of road. So for example, the kind of road you are working on is like this, then we will mark 4 areas like this. Okay, and let's say if the road is of this type where you have only two roads, up and down, here you want to count the vehicles in two directions. So this application will work on all type of roads. So here for example I have shown you 4 different type of roads, but let's say if there are 3 direction, 2 direction or 4 directions, so for every kind of road style this traffic analysis app will work. So every time when you'll start the work, when you will upload the input, you just need to mark the areas. How, that part I'll show you in some time. Right now I'm just giving you an overall idea that first you will upload the input, after that you will mark the areas as per the road, and then model will perform the detection, tracking and counting, and after that it will save the output report in a CSV file. So this is the project. Let me show you the practical implementation now. Let's go to the dashboard and upload the video. So this is the video, let's upload it. and select the model size from here. So right now I'm working with 640 size only, and we are not skipping any class. And just click on upload. And when you'll click on upload, you will see the first frame of that video over here. Now we need to mark the areas. So you will select the color from here, red color I've selected, and just single click over here, then here, after that over here, like this. To create the polygon, you will just click your mouse single time, and whenever you want to finish the polygon on this canvas, just double click, and now we have one polygon. Now select the next color, blue, and single click, here also single click, and this is my second polygon. Now let's create the third polygon for this direction. Third polygon is done. Now let's draw the fourth one. Okay, so like this you can draw polygons, and every time when you're working on a different video, you can draw the polygons like this, and you can draw as many polygons you want. Let's say you have a road where only 3 directions are visible, then you can draw 3 polygons. And if you want to perform the counting on 2 directions only, means how many vehicles are going up and how many vehicles are coming downwards, then you can draw 2 polygons as per that. Okay, so after this, just submit the areas, and then your AI model will start working on it. And guys, we are performing one more task. See, we have a timestamp over here. So the CSV file which we want to create, that CSV file will have these timestamps, and we are fetching these timestamps using OCR. And as per the timestamps, we will store how many vehicles are going in which direction. So let's submit it. See, processing is going on. So it has finished the processing. Now let's go back to the dashboard. So the count of input frames is this, output frames are also this, and video length is this, processing time is this, and the first frame timestamp is this. So it fetched the timestamp from first frame. Now let me show you the output video and a CSV file, because now in the form of output you will get 2 different files. One is the output file where you can see the detection counting, and other file will be a CSV file where you can see the detailed report about the vehicles. So these are the 2 files. Let me show you the output file first. See guys, this is the output video. You can see that objects are getting detected, tracked and counted, but the count is not visible properly over here. So I will show you that in a CSV file. So let me open that CSV file now. See, this is the CSV file. And guys, first of all, see the timestamp. For every frame, we have a timestamp, and then we have columns like these: north, left, truck, north to left, a car. So this north left truck means, okay, let me open the file over here. Here, see, it means that from north direction, from red, how many vehicles went in this direction, left. And then from north direction, how many cars went in this direction. Same like this, for from north, how many cars, trucks and other vehicles went in this direction, how many vehicles went straight. All these things we have over here, but these are so many columns and we cannot understand the output properly. So we will do some post processing on this file, which is over here only. Let's open the dashboard. See, click on this generate aggregated Excel. So whatever the file details is mentioned over here, so on the basis of that, it will create a aggregated Excel file. Click on it and you can download the Excel file, and you will see the Excel file over here only in the outputs folder. See, this is the file. So two these two files we got earlier, but now we got this file. Let's open it and see. First step is, guys, we are using the 15 minutes time interval. Means like in first 15 minutes of a day, how many vehicles went in each direction. We have 15 minutes interval count. See, for the first 15 minutes, then next 15 minutes, like this for the entire day, for the 24 hours. And another thing is, we have 4 tabs now: north, south, east, and west. Let's say you want to see for north direction, means from north direction, how many vehicles went into the other 3 directions. Then you will click on this north approach. And if you want to see how many vehicles from the south direction went to other 3 directions, then you will click on this tab in the same way for the east direction and the west direction. So let's click on north direction. And right now we'll see so many zeros over here. Why? Okay, let me show you the input video first, which we processed. So this is the input video. See the timestamp. The time is 8 o'clock. That means you will see the records in this time interval. So we will go to 8 o'clock over here. And you can see the count over here. See, 1 and 18. So in this time interval, one truck from north direction went straight, and from north to straight, how many cars traveled? 18 cars. Now let's see the south direction. So we'll see at 8 o'clock only, because rest of the columns will be 0 right now. So you'll see one record over here. So south straight truck. That means from south, straight is north. Means from south to north, which is south straight, one truck moved from south to straight. So like this from east, let's click on east and let's see 8 o'clock. So we have only this. What it is? East left car. Now what it is? East. Okay, let me open a different picture. East direction picture. East. Left from east is this. Left from east is this. That means at that timestamp, one car from east direction moved to left, which is south direction. We can see for west direction also. So in west direction, we have one over here, which is west right car. West right car means west. What is the right to west? This is the left to west and this is the right to west. That means from west, one car moved to right direction. So guys, like this, you can create traffic analysis system. And guys, if you find this project interesting and want a full step-by-step tutorial, then let me know in comment section. And if this video gets around 500 likes and 200 comments, then I will definitely create a detailed tutorial on this complete project. And I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.